Exhaust leaks can be pretty tricky to find. We have what's called a smoke machine. What this machine does is we can actually plug it into your exhaust system, and the machine will pump smoke throughout the exhaust system with a light pressure, and then you just use, it also has a ultraviolet dye that's with the smoke that you can trace. But basically, when you do that, it takes all the guesswork out of it. If you see smoke coming out of a gasket or a manifold or a converter, you know, what have you, then I mean, there's no guesswork there. That's leaking, and so we know exactly what to replace and how to fix it without, you know, wasting dollars on stuff that you don't need.